Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you have a case on your phone, take it off. Locate the tray, which on this device, it's located on the left top side of the phone. Push it in, the tray comes out. And from here, insert your cards. Now you have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. There we go. Make sure that when you place the cards on the tray, they are laying flush on it, meaning not protruding anywhere. And then carefully insert it back into the device because there's really nothing holding those cards in place, so they could fall out. There we go. Now once you insert the cards, they should start functioning almost right away, which I believe there's the SD card notification, and turn off Wi-Fi. So there we go. We also have LTE. So as you can see, both of them are working right away. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.